Britain today, 1 in 3 people will develop some form of cancer during their lifetime. In fact, every 2 minutes, a person is diagnosed with cancer. Every 3 minutes, a person is diagnosed with diabetes. And every 5 minutes, a person suffers a heart attack. Britain is the #1 most obese country in Europe and #3 in the world. Unfortunately, the problem is expected to get worse unless we take control. These are some of the lifestyle-related diseases on the increase in today's society: obesity, cancer, diabetes, heart disease, stroke, high cholesterol, and digestive problems. Some of these are hereditary, but more and more can be attributed to lifestyle. One of the main contributing factors is our diet, hence the expression, "You are what you eat." Doctors tell us that what you eat and how you prepare your food can affect how we look, how we feel, and how long we live for.
Okay, good afternoon everyone. Russell in the kitchen again. So today I'm gonna cook a biryani with no oil. So before anything else, I would like to give you all my ingredients. So you can cook any style of biryani you want, but today I'm gonna cook my own style. Yeah. So some chopped onions, some chopped tomatoes, some cashew nuts, some raisins, and some different spices here. I got some cumin, some cinnamon, some coriander, some ginger and garlic paste, some turmeric, and some gram masala, yeah, and some pepper, and I pre-washed already some 3 cups of biryani rice, and some water, yeah. So first is I'm gonna use our lovely electric skillet. This electric skillet can there's loads of things you can cook here. You can use it as an oven, as you can use it for grilling, and you can use it for roasting, yeah. So you don't need to preheat this one, yeah. So I'm gonna start with putting it to 150 degrees Celsius, and then 150 degrees Celsius, and I got this lovely different spices. I got some bay leaves as well, some cardamom. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna dump it in. Yeah, dump it in. Okay. Let's just increase the temperature for 180 for the meantime, so that we can heat up all the spices, so that we can get the different aromas of the spices. Just leave it there for maybe 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, then we can put our chopped onions, some tomatoes, and then some pre-washed biryani, basmati rice, I mean. So you can smell the aroma coming out. Yeah. The good thing with this electric skillet is you can cook a lot of things here. One is this biryani with no oil. Yeah. So I can see now it's already having some aroma. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the ginger and garlic paste.
You can use a raw one.
Yeah, you can use a raw one if you want, but just for easy cooking.
And it's locked down.
Yeah, just put some 2 teaspoons of that paste.
You can't go out because it's locked down, yeah?
Some chopped onions. Some tomatoes. See how easy it is to cook biryani in the electric skillet. So if you don't have the electric skillet, it's nice to have one, yeah? And it comes with the freebie as well.
Just for this.
Just for...
This is stay home.
Yeah. Okay, so everything is done already. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna dump the pre-washed basmati rice, 3 cups of basmati rice. And then we'll put our cashew nuts. You can you don't need, it's up to you if you want to if you're allergic to nuts, then you don't need to put. And some raisins as well for sweetness. And I'll put the water. Another one, I think, just to make sure it's covered, yeah. And then just stir to mix all the herbs. Nice, very nice. The smell is good. Makes me hungry. Okay. So let me just get some water, just a little bit. That should be all right. Okay, so let me get the cover. So just cover it like that. And then I'll set it to rice 2. But before anything else, if you're cooking 1 to 4 cups, you can use the rice 1. So you just press the temperature and then once on the lower arrow. So that is rice 1. That's 1 to 4 cups. But because this one is a little bit full, I'm gonna use the rice 2. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is just press the temperature and twice on the down arrow. So that's it. You don't need to do anything. We'll check it after it's cooked. Okay. So after how many minutes? We're gonna check our.
It's 65. It's finished.
Yeah. So it means when it's 65, it means to say it's finished. So look at that. Wow. How good is that? Cooking biryani with no oil. Or if it's finished, sometimes they put fresh parsley, fresh coriander.
But you don't have.
Yeah. So look at that. How good it is. Cooking biryani with no oil at all. Yeah. So if you like my video, please like and share. Thank you very much and see you on my next video.